This is Go MMT Radio.
Go MMT Radio. Headset Go.
Powered by Make My Trip, Go IBBO and Redbus.
क्या हुआ है?
बधाई हो, गो ट्रिपर हुआ है।
Welcoming new Go Tripper in the family.
दिन की शुरुआत किसी को बधाई देते हुए अगर हो रहा है तो फिर सब कुछ शुभ ही रहेगा is what I'd like to believe, which is what the show is all about. It's about congratulating those who have joined MMT in the recent months. Today on the show is Tushar Singhal, who is in the customer experience department based out of Gurgaon. Tushar, a warm welcome to the show.
Thank you so much, Annie.
तो सबसे पहले तो बधाई हो आपको.
Thank you so much.
Well, I think you've joined MMT 3 months ago?
Yes, exactly 3 months today.
Exactly 3 months. So आपका experience कैसा रहा अब तक?
Experience बहुत अच्छा रहा है and I've been in the industry for around 9 years. I think यहाँ पे मेरा experience बहुत अच्छा रहा है. From day one till today, everybody is super supportive. The way I have been welcomed in the organization, starting from the induction to immersion to going on the floor and started learning new things. I think everything went fantastic.
तो फिर अच्छी बातें पहले 3 महीनों में हुआ है, उसी के साथ साथ अच्छी बातें सीखने को भी मिला है आपको?
Yes, बहुत कुछ सीखने को मिला है. First of all, this travel industry is new to me. I have never been into travel. So obviously learning is maybe if I can say 0 to 100 वाला ही एक मेरा भी travel journey रहेगा यहाँ पे, I believe.
Wow.
Yes.
और आपको खुद को travel करना पसंद है, घूमना खाना पसंद है?
I can say yes. Now I like to travel. पहले इतना नहीं था, but from last 3-4 years मुझे traveling का है थोड़ा सा.
Well,
actually मैं थोड़ा friend dependent हूँ, so थोड़ा अगर मुझे company मिल जाए मेरे friends की तो I like to travel a lot.
अच्छा, अकेले जाने में इतना solo traveling करना इतना पसंद नहीं करोगे?
I did few, but उसमें इतना मजा नहीं आता है. So,
लेकिन एटलीस्ट आपने ट्राई तो किया.
हाँ ट्राई किया है. वो बोरिंग था इसीलिए फिर अपना वो शिफ्ट कर लिया कि
Okay, we're going to slip into a song, come right back, continue conversations, ask you about your travel, ask you about what really the nature of work is here at MMT, Customer Experience Department में. So don't go anywhere. This is Badhai Ho on Go MMT Radio. I'm your host Annie. Stay tuned.
Attention trippers.
ए प्रफुल्ल, ये दिवाली कैसी रही? हाँ, मजा आया नहीं? हाय प्रफुल्ल, what is? इतनी खांसी तुमको क्यों हो रही है?
अब क्या बताऊं, खांसी जुकाम दिवाली के बाद से लगा ही हुआ है.
हाय, ये तो मुझे भी हो गया है अब. What is?
अब क्या, अलाइव हेल्थ ऐप है ना, उसमें दे रखा कंपनी वालों ने 5,000 रुपए तक का पैसा.
ओ प्रफुल्ल, इंटेलिजेंट्स, तुमको तो सब पता है. हाँ?
Download the Alive Health app and start making the most of it now.
Go MMT Radio. Headset Go.
Meet our new joiners who showed us the musical side on radio session.
Hello trippers, this is Dipanshi Dhankad from UX department. You are listening to Go MMT Radio. Headset Go.
Hello trippers, this is Nikhil from B2B team and you are listening to Go MMT Radio. Headset Go.
Hello trippers, this is Sanket from category team. You are listening to Go MMT Radio. Headset Go.
Headset Go.
क्या हुआ है?
बधाई हो, गो ट्रिपर हुआ है।
Welcoming new Go Tripper in the family.
On the show with me today, इन्हें हुए हैं सिर्फ 3 महीने, having joined MMT, and he says that from day 1 to day 90 that he has completed, 0 to 100 तक का experience हो चुका है in terms of learning and also the good experience that he's had at MMT so far. तुषार सिंघाल is the person I'm talking about. तुषार, मुझे बताइए, इस डिपार्टमेंट में, जिस डिपार्टमेंट में आप काम कर रहे हो, कैसा रहा है आपका काम? उसे भी हमें समझा कर बताइए.
यहाँ पे I have joined in the customer contact group. So this group is basically responsible for the customer queries. I'm basically in the post sales. So let's say as a customer, you do some flight bookings, some hotel bookings, holiday bookings. So you may go through several issues. Let's say flight deal हो गया या कोई और holiday related issue हो गया, hotel में कोई issue हो गया. People reach back to Make My Trip and seek for a solution that, okay, this is the problem and how we can resolve that. So this customer contact group, this particular department takes care of all those issues. We have multiple agents and thousands of agents who are working day and night to resolve those issues. So this is about the department.
Now what about what do you do exactly in this department?
Okay, I am into the business intelligence. So what I do is basically my role is to work on the data, majorly on the data part. Like we collect data from multiple sources and we analyze it, massage it, transform the data and create multiple dashboards that can tell a story and help the senior leadership team and the management team to find out more better ways to support our customers, because data isn't too much of a bulk. It is not easy to analyze it in a traditional way. So it is very important if they can get an idea using a high level dashboards and those things, that where the things are going, how the trends are going. So I am into that.
I'm guessing this is in the modern world today, especially in the age of digital technology and AI also. This is what is called as data analyzing, and you're doing one of the most sought after jobs, if I can say so.
Yeah, if I have to say about this, yes, I believe.
It's not easy to put all of it together and then make dashboards out of it, but you have to go through discussions to ensure that you've got the right information, and that if not 2 or if not 10, but at least 6 of you out of 10 in your team are on the same page, and you'll all come with the same sort of solution or understanding of what you're really working on.
Yes. So talking with the business and the teams is very, very important for us to understand how the business works, and so that we can understand from where the data is coming in and how we can project it in a way so that it can help the customer, much better.
तो इसमें इतने सारे ट्रेंड्स निकल पड़ते हैं. तुषार, मुझे बताइए, कभी कोई ऐसा बहुत ही वियर्ड सा ट्रेंड आया था जिसके बारे में मतलब आपको समझने में टाइम लग गया?
Maybe it's too early to give an example on that, but yes, in my previous organizations I have had such an experiences. यहाँ पे भी आया है, which we have highlighted, and the leadership team has taken several steps to correct that. So yes, that has happened.
तो ये ट्रेंड को समझना मतलब it is also to know what is it that people are going for. इनकी सर्च हिस्ट्री में आपको पता चलता है. Varied things that you've got to take into account, right?
Yes.
That is a lot of screen time, Tushar. How do you survive?
It's all about how much you love your job. So I love my job, so that's not an issue at all.
चश्मे कितने टाइप्स के हैं आपके पास?
मेरे पास एक भी चश्मा नहीं है.
क्या बात कर रहे हो?
अभी तक जरूरत नहीं पड़ी है.
अच्छा, जब आपको टाइम मिलता है, because you spend so much time in front of the screen, क्या करते हो तब जब टाइम away from screen मिलता है थोड़ा बहुत?
So while in office, we used to take small breaks in between, so that for 2-3 minutes we can just go out and take a break, take some air, and then come back. Though air in Gurgaon is not so good nowadays.
I know. ये तो मतलब हर साल का विंटर का यही हाल है, and I really pity everybody in Gurgaon and Delhi. अब चूंकि आप बहुत पहले ट्रैवल शायद नहीं करते होंगे for whatever reasons, अब पिछले 3-4 साल में तो आपने सोलो ट्रैवलिंग भी ट्राई कर लिया है, दोस्तों के साथ भी ट्रैवलिंग ट्राई कर लिया है, मे बी इवन विद फैमिली, राइट? तो इनमें से कोई एक ट्रिप जो स्टैंड आउट करता है, इसके बारे में बताइए.
Okay, so I think last year I been to Dubai. So that experience was something I cannot forget about, because I think Dubai is like altogether a very different place to go. So many things that you may not see anywhere else. वहाँ पे ऐसा है ना, like everything is like when you see of let's say Dubai frame, so it's like the world's biggest frame, right? When you see Burj Khalifa, it's like the world's tallest building. So everything is like a world level. So
yeah, they have tried to break records with every architectural marvel.
Everything.
Yeah, by hiring the best people from all over the world. मतलब इस बात में भी बड़ा मजा आता है लोगों को, ना सिर्फ सुनने में पर देखने में तो जरूर, because the kind of work and meticulousness that has gone into building such towers. और सिर्फ बुर्ज खलीफा नहीं, any other tower that you see there of significance, whether it's the Emeritus Towers or anything, they all look amazing.
Yes, absolutely.
Any other trip in India that you really liked when you visited?
In India, I've been to Goa multiple times, like 4-5 4-5 times. Other than that, I'm actually originally from Uttarakhand, so I've been to Nainital and nearby places multiple times.
Yeah, I mean, you're from the land of the hills and the mountains. और इसके बारे में तो पूरी दुनिया बात करती है. Whether it is Kasol, whether it is Himachal, nearby of course, and Uttarakhand itself, which has got some exclusive spices also.
The rapid fire round.
Describe the place that you consider your favorite spot for relaxation and reflection whenever you find the time.
Okay, so I believe that should be my home, which is in Uttarakhand. So that's the most relaxing place for me.
तो साल में कितनी बार जाते हो वहाँ पर? कोशिश रहती है मतलब जाने की.
मैं actually महीने में 1-2 बार चला जाता हूँ.
क्या बात कर रहे हो? Good, very good. आपको ये पूछना ठीक रहेगा. What is one of your favorite movies?
There's a small story behind that, if it's okay.
Yeah, please go for it.
Actually, back in 2009, I got an opportunity to work alongside Irfan Khan in a movie called Pan Singh Tomar. Yeah, I played the role of a junior artist of his son, whose name was Anumanta. Yeah.
बहुत खूब. इरफान खान के साथ आपने काम किया है. So I think for you, he is the ultimate hero, isn't it?
Yeah, he's legendary.
He is an absolute legend.
Yes. And coming from that experience, when I got the news, I mean, when I saw that, okay, this has happened. So I was actually in shock. I could not understand like how this happened.
Yeah, I know what you're saying. It is painful, the realities of life when they hit us at the most unexpected times. तो फिर पता नहीं चलता कैसे इसे handle करें या digest करें. Well, but we do know he's in a better place, which is what we all believe, and it's nice to keep that belief. If you are an ice cream flavor, what would it be?
Chocolate.
Okay, either or का मुझे अभी आप जवाब देना. Pizza or burger?
Yeah, it's burger.
Okay. Beach vacation or mountain retreat?
Mountain retreat.
Good. Has to be, right? That's home.
Yeah, has to be.
Morning person or night owl?
Morning person.
Fiction or non-fiction?
Fiction.
Music or silence?
Music.
Good. Black or white?
Black.
Comedy or drama?
Comedy.
Home cooked meal or restaurant meal?
Home cooked.
Good. Sunrises or sunsets?
Sunrises.
Good. Tea or hot chocolate?
Hot chocolate. Though I love tea as well, but anyways.
I know. Texting or calling?
Calling.
Scuba diving or skydiving?
That's a tough one. Skydiving.
Have you tried any of them or both?
No, I did not try any of it, but yeah, I wanted to do skydiving. My friend did it when we were in Dubai. I could not do that moment, but yes, I have to do it. It's in my list.
Yeah. So speaking of list, tell me what 2 places you have on your bucket list that you'd like to visit in the next few years.
One would be Kerala, and second is UK.
Nice, sweet. Okay, one last question. Tell me a deep lesson that you have learned, maybe from your parents or mentors, and you always hold on to that valuable lesson in life.
Most important lesson I learned in my life is to, first of all, try to be patient. I think it is always important to learn how to listen to other people, because the more you listen, the more you understand, and then when you talk, it makes sense. So that's more important for me.
I think there are some invaluable lessons you're holding very close to your heart. It's important to listen and be patient. And then you come up with some brilliant, I think, answers and solutions. And I think working in the business intelligence department and customer experience and data analysis, it kind of teaches you that, right?
Yes. Because until and unless we hear the problems, we hear the processes, we will not be able to build anything on top of it. So definitely hearing is one of the most important things. I mean, that's a life lesson also, and that's a lesson we can implement in our day-to-day life as well.
Totally. Thank you so much for your time, Tushar. It was really nice talking to you.
Thank you so much, Annie. It was nice talking to you as well.
All the very best for future endeavors here at MMT. Hoping and wishing that you will grow to great heights.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Tushar Singhal on Badhai Ho, Customer Experience Department based out of Gurgaon, on the show on Go MMT Radio with your host Annie. With that, I've come to the end of the show, and I will be seeing you again after about a day or so. Well, of course, it is your favorite radio station, so stay tuned and keep smiling.
Attention trippers.
ये 2.5 किलो, ये 2.5 किलो, ये 2.5 किलो.
क्या डाई करती रहती?
ये 2.5 किलो का जब उठता है ना, आदमी उठता नहीं, उठ जाता है.
जब देखो तब तुम्हारा शो ऑफ चलती रहती. ये 2.5 किलो का हाथ कहाँ से बनाया तुमने?
तुझे पता नहीं? अलाइव हेल्थ में है कर्ल फिट का पास. कंपनी वाले देते हैं ना अलाइव हेल्थ में एलीट प्रो पे 45% ऑफ. जाके देख.
Impossible.
Download the Alive Health app and start making the most of it now.
Go MMT Radio. Heads and go.
To listen to your favorite Go MMT radio from anywhere, follow us on YouTube, LinkedIn, and Instagram. Visit the Go MMT radio page for daily updates and enjoy listening to your favorite radio channel.